Hey folks, it's Mike Murphy. Today's quick tip is an Adobe Premiere Pro CC. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a sequence preset for Instagram Stories and Instagram TV. So every time you create a new project inside of Premiere Pro, you can just jump right to your preset and your video will be sized perfectly for Instagram Stories and Instagram TV. The size of the preset that we're going to create in Adobe Premiere Pro is going to be 1080 pixels wide by 1920 pixels high. You're going to be able to use this preset for both Instagram Stories and for IGTV. With our blank project open in Premiere Pro, let's create a new sequence by coming up here to File, New, Sequence, or Cmd N is the keyboard shortcut. So over here, the available presets. What we're looking to do is create our own custom preset for Instagram and IGTV. So every time we open up a new project and want to create a new sequence, we can just come over here to our preset and it's like a shortcut. So we're going to start this with the Digital SLR. We'll get a little head start here by doing a very common one. We'll come over here to 1080p. Let's choose this one, 1080p 30 frames per second. The two that you're probably going to do is 30 frames per second or 24 frames per second. So we'll start with this one. We're going to just give it a name. Doesn't really matter right now. We're just creating a preset, but we'll call the sequence something. Then you want to come right here. Before you click OK, come over here to Settings. We're going to keep most of these settings the exact same for this DSLR preset that we selected. The main thing we need to do is change the frame size. It is currently set up as a wide video. You can see here it's 1920 horizontal, that's the width, and 1080 pixels vertical, that's the height, at a 16:9 aspect ratio. We just need to flip those two numbers. So in this one, we're going to put 1080. And for the vertical, we're going to change this to 1920. And you can see that the aspect ratio changed to a 9:16, which is exactly what we want. So again, we're going to keep these settings the same. Down here is the key to it all. We're going to save a preset so we can use it for a future video. We're just going to give it a name, whatever you want. You can put in a description, maybe put 9:16. Aspect ratio. This is really just for your notes, so when you go to select it, it'll tell you what it is. We're going to click OK. Now you're going to see over here on the left hand side where all the presets are. At the very bottom, we're going to have our own custom category. You can see here it says Instagram Stories and Instagram TV. These are the notes that we put over here in the preset description. These are the general things. If you ever want to change it, you can just come to Settings. You can make the changes, save it again, overwrite it. If you ever want to delete it, you can just delete it right here. But whenever you come into Premiere Pro now, when you want to create a new sequence for Instagram TV, you just come here to the sequence presets, double click on it, it's going to open up over here and you're ready to go. My name is Mike Murphy. That is how you create an Instagram and an IGTV preset in Premiere Pro. Cheers.